Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about big data analytics. So, what is big data? It is the advanced analytic technique against very large diverse data sets. And also it includes mainly three types of data, that is structured data, unstructured data and semi-structured data. These are all from different sources and different sites, from terabytes to zettabytes. So as we know that, what do you mean by structured data? So structured data is nothing but a organized data. So for example, Oracle company, SQL, IBM, and these are all called structured data analysis. And one more is unstructured data. As we know that, all of you know, the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, these data is comes under unstructured data. So and also one more is semi-structured data. So semi-structured data is nothing but a combination of structured and unstructured. That means, so both, we can use both of them, that is structured and unstructured. For example, IMS. So IMS is comes under semi-structured data. So let me know about the big data analytics. Mainly contains four stages, or else we are calling as four steps. One is data collection, data cleaning, data exploration, visualization. So data collection is nothing but a first, it is the one of the important role plays in an big data analytics. So the internet provides almost unlimited of data for a variety of topics. So first we have to collect the information from different sources. So next, after collecting the information, sometimes we have to filter of the data with the help of data cleaning. So the data cleaning is nothing but it is a process of fixing or removing incorrected or corrupted or incorrectly formatted data. That means if it contains some unwanted information, means just we have to clear up that information. If we are having some duplicate data, means just we are going to eliminate that data. So such type of operations all comes under data cleaning. So the next one is data exploration. So exploration is first step in an big data analytics. So what it contains, how it will work, means it is used to explore and visualize the data to uncover insights from the starts and identify the areas where we have to collect the information, and also the patterns to dig into more users. That means we can collect more information, and when we are digging that information, we will get some better ideas. So this is comes under data exploration. So the next topic is data visualization. So visualization is nothing but a, after collecting, how to display the data, means it comes under visualization. In non-visualization, we have to represent the data in the form of charts, graphs, maps and other some visual forms. So next topic is, so in on big data analytics, we have to use several tools. You just list out this. They were asking only the list the several tools for big data analytics. We have several tools, that is R programming, Altamira Lumify, Apache Hadoop, MongoDB, RapidMiner, Apache Spark, Microsoft Azure and Zoho Analytics. Just list out the tools what we are using in a big data analytics. So we have several tools, that is, I'll repeat once again: R programming, Altamira Lumify, Apache Hadoop, MongoDB, RapidMiner, Apache Spark, Microsoft Azure and Zoho Analytics. So let's we know that the main topic in an big data is applications. Already we are discussed in an first module. So we have several types of applications, that is healthcare, media and entertainment, traffic optimization, real-time analysis to optimize the flight route, and big data applications against the big data applications in agriculture. So first one, how to use this in an healthcare. So healthcare is one of the major technology in a big data. So here we have to store some information in a data storage. So this is helpful for researchers when they are find outing some new technologies. They can take some new ideas, means they need some basic information. That information is received from the big data analysis. That means the researchers are mining the data to see what treatments are more effective for particular conditions, and also they can identify the patterns related to that side effects. And big data analytics have to improve the healthcare by providing personalized medicines and prescriptive analytics for each and every disease. There is some medicines, so their prescription is also provided by the big data analytics. And the next one is media and entertainment. As we know that the entertainment means everyone can easily and they can take liberally, but it is also one of the complicated topic because they can convey the public. So this is one of the most challenging, and how they are creating new things, how to marketing that and how to distribute. And also one more challenge is how the public will be receive that. So that is one of the major technology and major drawback in nowadays. The entertainment department, they can face several problems because challenging is more difficult, but and also they can solve that problem with the help of media and entertainment. That means the various companies in the media and entertainment industries are facing new business models for creating, market and distribute their contents. For example, if they are going to give some advertisements, so first they should plan that, so how to providing ad. And if you want some optimization for based on timings, that means scheduling optimization. If you are going to provide a new productions, or if you are going to develop a new productions, that is one of the challenge and big challenge in an medias and entertainments. So if they need some ideas, means in an entertainment also receiving some basic ideas with the help of big data technology. And the next one is traffic optimization. Nowadays everyone is using traffic optimization. How means, I think all of you knows the GPS techniques. So with the help of GPS devices and video cameras, we can real time traffic can be analyze, or we can gather the basic information from road sensors. With the help of sensors we can optimize the data. In a real time analytics to optimize the flight route. So how to optimize? So based on some unsold seats in an aircraft department, so they can calculate the loss of revenues. So how means, so for example we have 50 seats in an aeroplane, so you just assume only the 10 seats are sold, so the remaining seats are unsold, means they can easily calculate, they can face the losses of revenue. So based on that they can calculate the optimization for flight route. And one more is big data application in agriculture. So how we are using in an agriculture means, as we know that in a traditional tools we are going to replaced by the sensor equipped machine. For example, if you are going to check the humidity and if you are going to check the nutrients in a soil, so we go for big data analytic technologies. So these are all applications of big data. That means I'll revise once: healthcare department, media and entertainment, traffic optimization, real time analysis to optimize flight route and e-commerce recommendation, and big data applications in agriculture. Next we go for applications of IOT. So what do you mean by IOT? IOT is nothing but a Internet of Things. So the things that are connected to the internet is called IOT. See, in an IOT also we have several applications, that is agriculture. The IOT application in an agriculture, and the IOT application in an consumer use, and the IOT application in healthcare, and the IOT application in insurance, IOT application in manufacturing, IOT application in retail, IOT application in transportation, IOT application in utilities. So first we know that what how it will help in an agriculture. So IoT application in agriculture. So as we know that you just assume if the sprinkler system, if you are going to use sprinkler system in an agriculture means, so the sprinkler system dispenses the water only when needed. For example, this prevents the wasting of precious resources. Clear? So the next one is consumer use. So how to use this? For the private citizens, IoT devices are in the form of wearables and smart homes to make life easier. And one more is how to use this in an healthcare. Find the in an healthcare department, first the foremost wearable IoT devices. Let hospitals, in an hospitals we have to monitor their patient details in an health at home. For example, hospital monitors their patient's health at home. That means the patient is staying in an home itself. Just in an hospital, the doctor monitors the patient conditions with the help of IoT technology. And one more thing, insurance. So even the insurance industries can benefit from the IoT revolution. How means insurance companies can offer their policy holders discount for IoT variables such as Fitbit. Fitbit is nothing but it is a fitness tracking. Fitness tracking for human beings. The insurance can offer customized policies and also encourage their health habits. Means they can concentrate on health also. That means they can give some discounts in an insurance technology. And one more is manufacturing. The world of manufacturing and industrial automation use of IoT in a big way. So that is RFID and GPS technologies can help to manufacture, track a product from its start on the factories of one floor to another floor. So and as we know that in a retail technology, how it will means for both in-store shopping sales figures, shopping sales. I'll repeat once. In retail application, so as we know that retail application is one of the technology that is used in online and in-store shopping sales. Figures can control warehouse automation and the robotics through the information gathered from IoT sensors. And the next topic is transportation. So already so many times I was explained transportation, how it is helpful for IoT technology, how the IoT technologies is helpful in the transportations. So the best example is GPS system. So GPS is another example that is used to being. So as we know that GPS is the one of the example for IoT technology. It's being utilized to help transportation companies plot faster and more efficient routes for trucks, hauling freights, thereby speeding up their delivery times. And the last one is utilities. So what do you mean by utilities? How it is help means the IoT sensors can be employed to monitor environmental conditions like humidities, temperature and lightning. The information is provided by IoT sensors. So this is one of the application. So these are all considered applications of IoTs, that is agriculture, consumer use, healthcare, insurance, manufacturing, retail and transportations, and one more is utilities. And next one is applications of cloud computing. So what do you mean by cloud? Why we are going to use this? As we know that cloud computing is one of the technology. If we are going to store the information without using our hard drive, we go for cloud computing. So in a cloud computing also having several applications. That is the first one is art application. Art application, how it is helps means cloud computing offers various art applications for quickly and easily design attractive cards, booklets, and images. So in an art application, we must use several applications. You just remember that: MailChimp, Salesforce, Chatter, QuickBooks. So these are different art applications. And the next one is data storage and backup applications. So the data storage and backup data storage and backup in a data storage and backup applications, the cloud computing allows us to store information like data, files, images, audios, and videos on the cloud, and access this information using an internet connection. So and next one is business application. So business application are based on the cloud service providers. As we know this, today every organization requires the cloud business applications to grow their business. It also ensures that business applications are 24 into 7, means day and night it will be available to the users. So here we have to use several softwares like in our business applications: MailChimp, Salesforce, Chatter, and QuickBooks. You should remember we have several applications in a business application: MailChimp, Salesforce, Chatter, and QuickBooks. Whereas in art applications, VistaPrint, Mo, Adobe Creative Cloud. VistaPrint, Mo, Adobe Print, Adobe Creative Cloud. And whereas in business, I'll repeat once again: MailChimp, Salesforce, Chatter, and QuickBooks. Whereas in data storage, also we have to use several applications like Google G Site, Box.com, Adobe Scanner. So next we go for education application. So cloud computing in the education sector becomes very popular. It offers various online distance learning platforms and student information portal to the students. And the advantages using this cloud, the field of education, is that it offers strong virtual classroom environments and easy of accessibility, and also secure the data storage. And what type of applications we have to use in an education application means, that is Google Apps for education, Chromebooks for education. Only we have two applications: Google Apps for education, Chromebooks for education. And the next one is entertainment applications. See, in an entertainment industries use a multi-cloud strategy with the target audience. The cloud computing offers various entertainments applications such as like online gamings and video conferencing. What type of applications we have to use in an entertainment means online games, video conference apps. And the next one is management applications. The cloud computing offers various cloud management tools which helps to admins to manage all types of activities such as resource deployment, data integration, and disaster recoveries. These management tools also provide administrative control over the platforms, applications, and infrastructures. The applications, what type of applications we have to use in our management means, only we have two applications, that is one is Evernote and one more is Toggy. Evernote and Toggy are the applications for management applications. And last one, social application. Social cloud application allows a large number of users to connect with each other using social networking applications. And what type of applications we have to use in social application means, already we know that the Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. So these are all called cloud computing applications, that is art application, business application, data storage and backup application, education application, entertainment application, management application, and social application. This is up to here comes under module 2. So this completes your module 2. Okay, thank you.